Îți spun că așa faci bani, îți stabilești toate întâlnirile pe telefon, te descurci. Îți.
A possessive pronoun meaning to you or your, pronounced
E.
with a soft
I.
sound similar to the ee in C and a very light s sound. It indicates that the following action or statement is directed towards the listener. It's a versatile pronoun used extensively in Romanian.
Spun.
The first person singular present indicative form of the verb.
A spune.
To say or tell. Pronounced.
Spun.
The
U.
is pronounced like the u in moon. Here, it means I tell or I say.
Că.
A conjunction meaning that, introducing a subordinate clause. Pronounced.
Che.
Similar to the că in cucumber, but shorter. It links the main clause
I tell you.
to the following explanation.
A-sha.
An adverb meaning like this way, or so. Pronounced.
A-sha.
With the stress on the first syllable and a distinct
She.
sound. It describes the manner in which one makes money.
Faci.
The second person singular present indicative form of the verb.
A face.
To do or make. Pronounced.
Faci.
With a clear
A.
and
E.
sound. It means you do or you make.
Bani.
Means money. Pronounced
Bahne.
with the stress on the first syllable and a similar sound to their
Ah.
in.
Father.
The
I.
sounds like the ee in C.
Îți.
Repeated from the beginning, a possessive pronoun meaning to you or your. Pronounced.
E.
It's repeated here to indicate that the following action
Stabilești.
is directed towards the listener.
Stabilești.
The second person singular present indicative form of the verb.
A stabili.
To establish or set. Pronounced
Stabilește.
with the stress on the second syllable. It means you establish or you set.
Toate.
Means all or every. Pronounced
Toate.
with a clear
A.
and
E.
sound. It modifies
Întâlnirile. Întâlnirile.
the plural form of
Întâlnire.
meeting or appointment. Pronounced.
Întâlniriel.
It means the meetings or the appointments.
Pe.
A preposition meaning on or by in this context, by means of. Pronounced
Peh.
a short and sharp sound. Here it specifies how the meetings are set.
Telefon.
Means telephone or phone. Pronounced
Telefon.
with the stress on the second syllable.
Te.
A personal pronoun meaning you, reflexive. Pronounced.
Teh.
It's the reflexive form, emphasizing the listener's self-reliance.
Descurci.
The second person singular present indicative form of the verb.
A se descurca.
To manage, to cope. Pronounced
Descurci.
with stress on the second syllable. It means you manage or you cope. Putting it together.
Îți spun că așa faci bani, îți stabilești toate întâlnirile pe telefon, te descurci.
Means I tell you that this is how you make money. You set all your appointments by phone. You manage. It's an encouraging statement implying self-sufficiency and success.